Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlaira. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Mac to factory settings. This method works on all Macs, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, or Mac Mini. To get started, open System Settings and search for Erase All Content and Settings. You can also find it by going to the General section and selecting Transfer or Reset. From there, choose the Erase option and enter your Mac password to continue. You'll see a summary of what will be deleted, including your data, user accounts, and settings. Make sure you've backed up anything important. After that, you'll need to sign out of iCloud, turn off Find My Mac, and confirm your Apple ID. If your Mac is connected to your iPhone, you might be asked to enter a verification code. Once everything is confirmed, click Erase All Content and Settings. Your Mac will restart, wipe all data, and return to its original factory state, ready for a new setup or a new owner. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.